Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Realme 16 Pro Plus. First, what you guys want to do is, if you're using USB-C headphones, you want to clean the charging port. Since there's no jack here, no 3.5mm jack, you're supposed to use USB-C. You can also use an adapter. I wouldn't recommend it, since if you're not using an original one or a certified one, it can break down any second and you will have no idea when or why. That's why we want to make sure that we clean the charging port. It is very important because dust can block a lot of connection. And what are we going to do next is we're going to restart the phone. So to restart our Realme, all we have to do is press the power button, volume up button at the same time. Now swipe up. And the phone now is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. After the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna test another pair of headphones. So grab another pair, see if they work. If they don't, then try another device and see if maybe that fixes the issue. Maybe it's the issue of your adapter or the issue of the charging port, and you should definitely get it checked out. Now, for the last step of the wired headphones, we're gonna go over and update our software. So let's scroll to the settings. In the settings, we want to scroll all the way down until we see system and update. Tap on software update, and here you'll see if your software is on the latest version. So my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. This is very important because you want to make sure that there's just enough and that there's an update. So we want to make sure that there's no glitches, no nothing. And now we can go over to the Bluetooth headphones. So for the Bluetooth headphones, what are we going to start with is we're simply going to go over and turn the Bluetooth off and on. So I know this sounds simple, but this is the first fix. We're going to go, and here in the settings we have Bluetooth. Now we were gonna, let me quickly turn it off and turn it on. Now, as you guys can see, we got some available devices. And what we're gonna do now is go over and unpair our device. So here I got my AirPods. We're gonna click on the information icon. We're gonna click unpair, and now they're disconnecting. So what I have to do is simply go and double tap the front case, because these are the AirPods 3 Pros. There's no button on the back. So you need to enter the pairing mode on your own headphones. Now you just press refresh and they should appear right here. So you click on them, you click pair, and now they're connecting and you can use them. Make sure to charge them fully. I do that on a charged case, since I know the case is on 0%. That's why they connect. But if your case is at 0 and they just can't connect, then you have your answer. Also make sure to avoid any other device interference. So basically they can try and connect to an iPhone, they can try to connect to anything else except for our Realme, and we want to connect them here. So turn the Bluetooth off for your devices at home while you're using the headphones with this particular device. And as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're also going to update our software. So if you didn't see it before, I'll show you. Go to system and update and go to software update, and here you should see if you're on the latest version. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.